Hi everyone, this tutorial will guide you through your course in Blackboard. We've designed the layout to be as intuitive and simple to navigate as possible. The menu on the left side of the page will be your way to navigate around. Let's take a look at the main parts to this menu. The announcements page will be the first page you see when entering your course. You'll find important information posted here from your instructor. It is important to check back often for new announcements. The course documents section contains important information regarding the course, such as the course outline and schedule. Please become familiar with the documents located here as they are very important. The Learning Units page is where your course content will be found. Each unit contains an overview of what you'll be learning objectives that will be covered, learning instructions that will guide you through the tasks that you need to complete, and often with unit links below that will get you where you need to go quickly. And lastly, the Learning Module button, which will launch the learning module for that unit. The My Grades page will give you an overview of your marks. When your instructor marks your assignments, the marked results will be located here. The Contacts and Support page will provide you with information on how to contact your instructor and fellow classmates. Depending on your course, the layout may look slightly different for you. If you have any questions on how to navigate the course, please contact your instructor. Enjoy your course.